How to increase buffs in Evony. So basically a general explanation on how this works, since there are a lot of ways you can increase buffs. So buffs are increased by stacking multiple systems that boost your troops, generals, and city stats. The most important sources are the generals itself. So leveling them up, ascending, you can also go ahead and refine their gear and activating specialties. So research in the academy as well, especially military defense, military trees, and equipment such as refined general gear, dragon gear, and civilization gear. There are also buildings that can apparently also matter. Upgrading your academy, rally spot, embassy, what else? The Sorbinet City structures provides passive bonuses. There are the spiritual beasts as well in your pasture. Uh, Supposedly they can increase buffs when leveled and refined. So while champions and monarch talents add permanent percentage boosts, you can go ahead and put in those others in mind. Finally, temporary buffs from items, so you can go ahead and try getting those in limited time events or in shops in general. So other than the items, there are events, titles, and server-wide bonuses that can significantly raise your total buffs when used at the right time. But those are a few options you can go ahead and look into if you want to increase your buffs in Evony. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.